So hi everyone, so I am here to discuss the chapter 6, which is visualize of a percent, lesson 1. So visualizing percent and its relationship to fractions, ratios, and decimal numbers using models. So things to remember: to change from percent to fraction, change percent to fraction with a denominator of 100 and then simplify it. So 2. To change percent to decimal, drop the percent symbol and move to the decimal point 2 places to the left. And 3. To change decimal to percent, simply move the decimal point 2 places to the right, then annex the symbol percent to the number. So let's try this example. So in these examples, we identify the ratio and fraction, decimal to percent. So in this shaded part, there are 80 shaded parts of square. So, ang ratio niya kay 80 is to 100. So, i-change into fraction, 80 over 100, or simply form 8 over 10 or 2/5. So, change to the decimal. So, we move the 0 at the left. So, i-move na to siya. So, mahimo na siyang 0.80. And next, i-change na to to percent. So move to the right. So 80%. So giyon sa ni siya pagkuha. So 80 divided by 100 is equals to 0.8. So mo na 0.8 siya, then i-move man nato ang 0 to the left. So mo na siyang 0.80. So ang kanang 80 ato siya i-times 100. So ang gawas na niya mo na siya ang percent. So inighuman na. So butangan niya og percent symbol. So mo na siya pagkuha. So next example is this. The shaded part of the square is 70. So iyang ratio na kay 70 is to 100. So i-change na to into fraction. So 70 over 100, or simply form na to siya, muna siya ang 7 over 10. So rest gini atong sulti nako ato siya i-move to the left to put the decimal. So kuha na niya, ang answer na niya sa decimal is 0.70. So 0.70 times to 100 kay 70. So ipot nimo ang percent symbol. Basta always remember ha, ang mong times na to siya 100 kay ang percent is equivalent to 100. Okay? Okay, sige. So next example, so ang shaded part niya sa triangle kay 3. So iyang ratio kay 3 is to 10. So mo man ang total niya, total sa kanang triangle. Yang ang shaded part naman kay ang 3 naman. So 3 is to 10. So i-change into fraction, muna siyang 3 over 10. So i-change to decimal, move at the left. So muna siyang 0.30. Ngayon, percent na to, move to the right. So ang answer niya is 30. So put the percent symbol. So mo na siya ang pagkuha sa percent. So hi everyone, so let's proceed to the lesson 2, percentage, base, and rate. So in solving math problems pertaining to percentage, there are 3 components that need to be identified. They are the base, rate, and the percentage. So base is the totality, percentage is the part of the totality, then rate is the ratio of the percentage to the base. It is usually in the percent form or decimal form. Muna siya ang rate. So this is the magic triangle, or shall we say formula. So P is equals to R times B. So unsa may gipangita diha ang yang percentage. So next formula is R is equals to P over B. Unsa gipangita ang iyang rate. So next formula is B is equals to P over R. So unsa gipangita iyang base. So let's proceed to the problem. So what is 56% of 679? So ang gipangita diri kay ang iyang percentage. So ang formula niya kay P is equals to R times B. And copy na to ang given niya. So mo na siya ang 56 mo na siya ang rate. So copy 56%, then times, so iyang base ato sang kapihon 679, then 56% times 679. So ato siya to change the rate of percent to decimal form by moving the decimal point 2 places to the left. So kining percent daw ato ni siya ang decimal niya na dapit sa 6. So ato i-move siya into the left. So ang answer niya kay 0.56 times 679. And ang result niya ana mo na siya ang 380.24. So mao ni siya ang iyahang percentage. So, problem number 2, what percent of 54 is 6? So, ang unsa may pangita ang rate. So, ang 54 mo na siya ang B. Then, ang percentage mo na siyang 6. So, always remember ha, kung dako gani o naay of, mo na siya ang base. So, mo na siya. So, R is equals to 6 divided by 54. So, ang 6, ang answer ana is 0.1111. So, change the quotient into decimal to percent by moving the decimal point 2 places to the right. So, asamang decimal ana. So, naadri sa dapit sa 0. So, i-move down na nato to the right 2 places. So, mag-count na mo ng 1, 2. So, ang answer na mo na siya ang rate. So, 11.11%. So, mo na siya. So, the problem number 2 is 50 is 25% of what number? So, unsa may gipangitan niya? Ang base. So, P stands for, ang 50 kay stands for percentage, ang R kay rate. So, ganong R kay, ang 25 kay rate man siya, kay katong definition ganiha, basta 9% symbol, kay mo na siya ang rate. Okay. So, ang iyang formula is B is equals to P over R, or B equals to P divided by R. So, base equals to 50 divided by 25%. So, change the rate or percent to decimal. So, ang kining 25%, i-change na to siya sa decimal. So, i-move na to the left. So, 0.25 na siya. Dayon, 50 divided by 0.25. So, ang answer mo na siya ang base. So, ang answer is 200. So, next, a grade 5 class has 48 students and 75% of them have done their assignment in math. How many grade 5 students have done their assignment in math? So, unsa may gipangita dire? Ang percentage. So, B, kapayo na to, kay 48 student man siya. Then, R kay 75%. So, copy. Sunod, ang formula niya kay P equals R times B. And then, ang 75% kay times 48. So, i-change na to siya. Change the rate or percent to the decimal form by moving the decimal point 2 places to the left. So, mo na to siya. Ang kining 75, mahimo siyang 0.75. I-times na to siya into 48. So, ang answer niya kay 36. So, thanks to remember, ang rate, the quantity, expressed as a percent, it is always with a percentage sign. Or sign siya, na siya percent sign or symbol. Sunod, ang percentage without percent sign, and it is a part of the base determined by the rate. So, muna siyang percentage. Sunod, ang base without percent sign and refers to the whole in which the rate is applied.